Hey guys, Jules here from Behind the Cork with What's in Your Glass Weekend Wine, Valentine's Day weekend special. So I wanted to bring you guys something that will hopefully set the mood for this weekend. Obviously red wine. It's basically a Chilean wine. Some of you may think, well, we're talking about Carmenere. No, we are talking about Sauvignon, Cabernet Sauvignon. So from Erasuriz, from the Aconcagua Valley. It's how can I best describe this? Most people really look at Chilean wine, and because of marketing, they really look at, they think, oh, Carmenere, and it was really pushed out there. However, Cabernet Sauvignon is the primary red grape that is sold and exported from Chile, followed by Sauvignon Blanc, Merlot, Chardonnay, and then Carmenere. So if you're looking for an amazing value for amazing quality for the money that you're gonna pay, this bottle right here, hopefully you guys can see that, is $21 Canadian. So just amazing value for what it offers, and I love Cabernet Sauvignon, and this does not disappoint. The other reason is that this is a slight blend, so it does have Cabernet Franc and Petit Verdot. So again, these are primarily Bordeaux grape varieties that were brought into Chile, and Chile is probably one of the oldest wine producing regions in the New World. And when I talk about the New World, I'm talking about Argentina, Chile, New Zealand. And when I talk about Old World, we're talking about France, Italy, Spain, and so on. So again, a beautiful blend. You get that nice, full-bodied Cabernet Sauvignon, and then that really nice acidity, from the Petit Verdot and the Cabernet Franc, and also the floral is the reason why I chose this wine. So we'll go right ahead, right into it. I'm gonna take it a sniff. And immediately you get the floral, you get the violets, the roses. So that's why I said this will set the mood for the weekend. So you really want to consider this for this weekend. So again, floral. You get kind of a minty eucalyptus smell as well on the back palate. And then as you just soak it in, you're going to get red fruit. The tannins are smooth, so it's not too rough. You're not going to get a full mouth coating. Your palate is not going to feel all dry and sticky when the same as you would, let's say you drink tea, you get that mouth dryness feeling. It's not over bearing. It's nice and smooth, and that floral scent with the berries, very prominent, will linger for 15-30 seconds, and this is why I love this wine. It is a great everyday wine, amazing with full-bodied protein dishes. It's probably the perfect pairing in most dishes. The acidity is really nice too. So the acidity, you'll feel it on the side of the tongue. It really refreshes the mouth. So it's going to give you a full balanced feeling. And really, the reason why I chose this is because, again, the great value that you're gonna have in this wine, the Cabernet Sauvignon. This one in particular is planted at a bit of higher altitude, so you're getting a little bit of that herbaceousness as well. As this wine ages, so this one is a 2017. As it ages, it starts to get a little bit of the tobacco feeling. Right now, I do taste dark chocolate on the back palate a little bit, which is nice, pleasant with the tannins. It goes really, really nicely. It's not an overpowering full body. We're not talking about Barolo. We're not talking about something much heavier. It's a beautiful Cabernet Sauvignon that is a slight blend and gives you that ultimate berry tannin feeling. So a great choice for this weekend. Hopefully you guys like this, and that's it really. Let me know what you think. Wishing everybody a good weekend. If you have any comments, you want to see other ratings or other wines tasting, please send me a note. If you like it, don't like it, just let me know what you think. I was curious to see what people think about the different wines. But again, at $21, it's hard to go wrong. And I probably had this maybe a year or two. But this wine is typically ready to drink. It can age, however, it has the tannins, has the acidity necessary to age a little bit. I would say probably don't push 5 years, but again, as it ages, the red fruit starts to go away and you start to get more of the leather and the tobacco accents in there. So if you like that, let one sit, drink one now. If you like berries in your wine, then open it right away, and hopefully this weekend this is something you guys will like. The floral aromas just get me every single time. So that's it. Again, room temperature. Make sure I have it sitting here, so in a decanter for about an hour. You really want to get this to room temperature because this is where you're going to get the most value of the flavors and the aromas. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it for this weekend. Jules here from behind the cork. Happy Valentine's Day weekend. Cheers.